Hey guys, welcome to Russound. One of the most common questions we get asked here in tech support is, hey, I've got a P75 and either A, it's not outputting audio, or B, it's cutting in and out. And I'm going to show you a really quick explanation to this and a solution to fix this for you. Because this is a dual source capable amp and the function of how it switches between source number 1 and source 2, this can be a common occurrence, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy, effective fix for it. All right, so we are looking at the rear of the P75, and a wild tablet has appeared. This tablet is actually going to be our source of music. I've got a 3.5 millimeter to RCA converter hooked in, and it's actually playing something in the background right now. So let's just start that over. What we're going to do is we're going to take our audio device and plug it into the P75. But the question is, which input do we use if we're using just one single input and we're not using the dual source capability? Here's a pro tip for you. You're going to want to use line number 2 input. This is the default signal sensing input on the amplifier, and it will ensure that you have good quality audio streaming coming from your source of music to the amplifier. The common issue that you're going to see is if you are utilizing this source in the line 1 input, this is a priority input here. And it's great if you're using 2 sources, but if you're only using one, what's happening inside the P75 is that when you lower the volume on your device, or it happens that your audio device itself is not sending a strong and reliable enough audio signal, the P75 will go back to the default input, which happens to be line 2. And from the customer's viewpoint, or yours if you're testing the product, you'll hear the audio cutting in or out. And you'll even hear a clicking coming from inside the P75 as that relay switches over to the primary line when it detects audio, and then back to the secondary line if that audio quality signal is not strong enough to maintain it. So just to rehash that, if you're using this P75 for single source capability, you're going to want to use the line number 2 input at all times. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.